Hey guys, so today I think we're gonna be repainting and restyling this Barbie 2021 Fashionista. She had like a polka dot outfit, and yeah, I just gave her these new, just these leftover shoes I have. We're gonna restyle her, give her some new outfit, maybe change her hair color, but definitely change her lipstick and her eyes, and just make her look more expensive. Maybe like silkstone or just kind of vintagey. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, so Barbie's chilling. She got her new outfit on. She's gonna get her makeup done right now. So I already started kind of just making her more vintage looking. And so I'm just kind of fixing her eye right here. See, voila. This eye looks okay. I guess I could do a little bit more. I think I got it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, she has her little beauty mark. She just finished her hair, getting her hair done. So yeah, let's see how we did. So yeah, I liked her makeup so far, but I actually saw an original build Lily, and I'm gonna do her makeup even more vintagey. So yeah, we're gonna erase her eyebrows. Ah, Barbie. I'm using this 100% alcohol. What is it? Rubbing alcohol, nail polish remover, acetone. So, Barbie. So yeah, I got this at Target, and it's 100% acetone. It just takes it off so fast. So she's almost done. Okay, so Barbie's almost ready. I'm gonna start making this little purse for her. Let's see if I can do this. I'm just kind of gluing a little bit around the edge. And then, this is the only pink fabric I have for now, so it's gonna have to work. Let's see, I'm just gonna kind of, so I have the fabric pattern backwards because I want that side to show up. I kind of want a little bit of this design on there if I can. So you see on that side it's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna kind of fold this over and slowly get a tight little design on there. So yeah, I'm gonna glue that inside, and you guys will see when it's all ready.